So many vegans asking, what's the best vegan coffee creamer? And although we have lots of wonderful vegan options, nothing quite compares to this one magical ingredient I discovered. Coconut cream, or coconut milk. The cream is just slightly thicker. I also use organic raw blue agave nectar to sweeten my coffee. Add the cream. Another secret ingredient of mine is some almond extract. This will make your coffee taste like Starbucks without the added sugar and chemicals of flavored syrup. Now, as a coffee replacement, I use a combination of 3 teas, which include organic roasted dandelion root, organic chai, and organic turmeric with meadowsweet and ginger. Once it's steeped, just add the cream and almond extract as usual. Yum! I like to read over my list of positive affirmations while drinking my morning coffee or tea. How do you enjoy yours? To be honest, this cup of coffee came out even better than usual somehow. And remember, you don't have to be extreme, just consistent. Cheers! Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.